My name's Marcus. I'm the kitchen manager here at the Willamette location, and I want to talk to you a little bit about our seasonal offerings for this fall and winter. So the seasonal dishes we're going to have available is the Maple Glazed Turkey Breast is coming back. It is a skin-on turkey breast that is glazed in maple syrup, butter, thyme. It's kind of slow braised until it's brown and nice and crispy on the outside, but still really juicy on the inside. Also, our brown butter caramel bread pudding is coming back. A new item that we're doing is the mustard and cider roasted carrots. And cider is kind of our theme for this whole season. We have it in at least 4 or 5 other items. We have it in a soup. One of our sheet pan meals revolves around it. We have 2 demos in November to show off our holiday offerings for the Thanksgiving food. And we really like to encourage people to come out. We'll have tons of food for people to try, be able to talk to them about ingredients if they have dietary concerns. We can talk to you all day about how great the food is, but it's really best if people come in and try it for themselves. We look forward to seeing everyone and helping them with their holiday orders.